Hi, my name is Catharine Kimberly. I'm a Latin teacher at Newtown High School. I am also the chair for the Student Awards for Excellence with the Connecticut Council of Language Teachers. These are awards that you can nominate your students for and are very exciting because they allow us to advocate for our program and encourage students to continue taking world language. So I'm going to walk you through the process of actually nominating students because it's very quick and easy, and that's what I like about these particular awards. They don't take a lot of time for teachers to complete, and that is a great thing when we are all so busy. The Student Awards for Excellence are accepting nominations through the 15th of April. So you have plenty of time to recognize students. The first step to nominating students is to go to the CT Colt website. There you're going to be clicking on awards at the top. Once you do that, you're going to see that the Student Awards for Excellence will pop up as you hover over awards. From there, you are going to click on that and you'll end up at a screen where you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Nominate Students here. From there, you are going to click Register. And then you're going to put your email in that you are registered with CT Colt. Then you're going to fill out some personal information and information about your school. This is so that we can communicate with you if we have any questions and that we can email your awards. Then you'll give us information about your superintendent and principal so that we can send them information recognizing both you for nominating your students, but also the names of the students that are receiving awards. Then you are going to select how many students you are planning to nominate, and then you're going to inform us of their name and the language and level that they are in. And then the last part is selecting the date of the award ceremony. If you don't know, you can give us an estimate of when you think your award ceremony is going to be and when you would like to receive your awards. And that's it in terms of the information that you have to provide us with. So it's very quick. And then you have the option to either pay online or if your school is going to be completing a purchase order, that's where you would select the Invoice Me option. If you have any questions about the Student Awards for Excellence, I'm happy to answer them. You can reach out to me on my CT Colt email address. I hope that you will nominate your students and have a great week.